Shreya from Grade 4. Today I am going to make a vlog with my favorite person, my little sister Utsha. Good morning. We begin our day with some exercise. We begin our exercise with jogging and start jumps followed by running. Now I am going to do my favorite activity, skipping, and finish with some stretching. I finished my morning exercise with my sister. How was the morning exercise? Good. It's time for breakfast with my cutie. आपल्याला pancake more पसंद मला पण more पसंद आणि oranges पण केलेले मला पण oranges After breakfast, I do some incomplete homework and we draw together. This is our best cartoon. It's enjoyable to watch. I always play with my sister. She loves my company and I also love her company. Bonnie, तुम्हारा favorite doll कौन हो? Bonnie. Favorite family? Bonnie family. हमारे dog का नाम क्या हो? Maya. This is how I spend the day with my favorite person. My day ends with my sister showing off dancing and singing. She loves it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Full butte sar sapa kapari pachewi mal mal ko.